you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you an updated brow routine using the LA Colors. This is actually, let's see, can you see this? You can't really see it, but it's the LA Colors lip pencil, and I'm gonna use the shade Deep Set Brown in the LA Colors. And I'm gonna use a pencil today because I usually use dip gel, brow gel, but I'm gonna show you guys how to use, if you're not really good with the dip brow gel, you can actually use a pencil and it'll get the same effect. Actually, I think the pencil looks better than the brow gel or brow pomade, whatever you use, but that's just my opinion. So without further ado, you guys, if you want to see how I get this look here, then just keep on watching. And you guys, I'm going to be talking through this video so you guys can get step by step. Usually I don't talk, I do voiceovers, but for the sake of this video I'm going to be talking, you know, so you can hear my voice. So you guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Make sure you turn the notification bell on, and like this video and share with a friend. Also, if you have not already subscribed to my second channel, which is I Am Beauty, I will place the link in the information in the description bar below, or I'll put it up here somewhere. That is basically my spiritual awakening channel, twin flame journey channel. So if you guys are interested, or if you know someone who is on that journey and they need help, definitely send them over to my channel. I do enlighten you guys from my perspective, because I am on this journey myself. So yeah, let's get right into this video, because I'm rambling, y'all, because I'm getting ready for the rodeo and I'm excited. So you guys, I've already primed my face. Where's my primer? Yeah, I've already primed my face, and I use the Japanese, if you can see, you can't see it, too much light in here, but I use the Japanese, and I get this from Ulta, I want to say. I get this from Ulta. And then I use the Urban Decay, the Slick setting spray, and I spray that on after I put on my primer, just because I'm oily, definitely right here in the T-zone. Even though the weather here in Texas is pretty cool, I'm gonna just take extra precautions because I'm gonna be outside today. So you guys, I'm gonna start off, and I'm gonna take my spoolie, my lash one, and this is by Elf, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brush out my brows. And y'all, I don't know what's going on with this brow right here, but I'm losing hair, y'all. I think I'm falling apart a little bit. Y'all, that can't happen. You know, that can't happen. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shape out my brows. And if you guys are a beginner, what you want to do is you can start off with small strokes. If you're not really just expertise on this, start off with small strokes. So let me get my other mirror so I can see better. Yeah. Start off with small strokes, and then you can go into bigger strokes. So if you want to, you can start off like draw a line here, draw a line here, draw a line here, so that you can connect the dots. If not, then I don't know what to tell you. You'll have to just take your time and practice. But you're gonna go ahead, and I start off on the outside with shaping how I want my brows to look, pretty much. And once I shape them, I go back in the inside, and then I add the extra color in the inside so that it can pretty much fill in itself. So again, you're gonna start off on the outer skirts of the brow, and then you're going to fill that in. Hold on, you guys, I gotta turn the air on. It's kind of hot, too much light. Okay, y'all, I look kind of orange a little bit. It's too much light. I don't know how this look, y'all. So hopefully I look okay, because I look kind of orange right now. But whatever. So yeah, again, you're going to fill fill in, and you're gonna look crazy, y'all. You're gonna look crazy. You're gonna look real crazy, but it's okay because you're gonna be able to clean that up. Now, you guys, you don't have to use the same color as I am using. I'm just going for a little bit of a darker shade. If you're a lighter tone, you can use an auburn. If you have light blonde hair or anything in a light range, you can use auburn. You can use a light brown, medium brown, whichever you feel like matches your brows. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the second brow. Again, small strokes, carving out how you want your brow to look, and then going back and filling it in. So a lot of people struggle, I guess, with creating a brow. So it's easier if you really don't have brows, and I'm not trying to be funny, but if you don't have brows, it's easier to pretty much manipulate and make a shape out of your brow if you don't have any. Now if you have brows and they're like really thick, XYZ, you're gonna have to just keep what you have. You know, I like the pointed arch, which is pointed up right here and then down, kind of like the Ronald McDonald arch, but not like this. So you're gonna look like this temporary. It's okay, girl, because we is gonna fix that, honey. We gonna fix that, because who can't be walking outside like this? It's me. I'm going to the rodeo, y'all, so I'm gonna be in front of people. You can't do it in front of people. So you're gonna take your spoolie and then you're going to brush. You want to create a gradient effect, because natural eyebrows have a gradient. It goes light to dark. So you're gonna brush inward. You're gonna brush inward so that it creates the gradient, and then go ahead and brush in the rest of the product backwards. So again, you're gonna go inwards to brush to make the gradient effect in the inside, and then brushing the product back into the brow. So you're gonna keep doing that until you're satisfied with your results. Again, I like my brows really natural, so if you have to keep going in and out, then that's what you do until you feel like that's something that you like. If you don't like it, you just have to pretty much start all over again until you get it right, you guys. And this is no madness. It's no rush to get this done, you guys. I do my brows first because I'm a perfectionist, and if I don't do my brows first, as you see, I done went over this brow like 3 times right now. But if you rush it, you're not gonna get the right look. So I do my brows first because I like to make sure that everything is perfected and it looks right. So now what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna take my Pro Concealer, my LA Girl Pro Concealer. My light is off. This is what it looks like, and I use the color Fawn, and I'm gonna go in and clean up underneath my brows, and then I'm gonna pull that down a little bit. You guys, I'm going for a basic look today. I'm not doing nothing dramatic. I'm not going out of the box. I'm just doing something really basic. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the brows, and then I'm going to pull the product down a little bit on top of my lids, so that it'll keep it from creasing. It'll keep everything from creasing, and then I'm gonna powder it off. So you guys, I just take a little bit. Pretty much on like a whatever I have laying around, honestly, and I use a angle brush, and then I take it, I dab the product on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to fix anything that I have messed up. And again, you guys, you want to take your time, because rushing only leads you to have to start all the way back over. And who want to start over on brows? Who want to start over on brows? Not I, because it takes a while. It takes a minute to get these things looking right, you know, like right. So again, you guys, you see how I am putting the product on and dragging it down. You want to make sure that you drag the product all the way down. You don't want any caked up product on the brow. And then what I do is I take my finger and I blend it out. I just blend the product out pretty much. So you see how that's looking a little bit better, y'all? You see that? Look at that side compared to that side. You see? It looks a lot better. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and do the top. And I'm going to just let you guys keep watching. I'm going to be quiet now. I'm going to be quiet. Okay, you guys, I have everything filled out and already ready. Don't worry if it's still imperfection, you guys. You can fix it. It's not the end of the world. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my brush out. And if y'all don't have one of these, you got to get you one. I'm gonna put this on my site so you guys can purchase these. This is a makeup remover, pretty much like a bristle pad. And you take the brush and you just do it in circular motions until you get the product off, and it really helps because it removes the product. As you can see, there's no product on this brush. So I'm just going to use this to blend this out a little bit more, and then I'm going to go back in with my spoolie and I'm going to fix some of this. It kind of got boxed up when I was cleaning my brows. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the brows and they done, and now I'm gonna go into the basic face routine. And you guys, I'll show you the final results once I'm finished with the beat face, honey. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching, girl. Watch it, girl. La, 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 la.